Hi everyone! If you're experiencing lag when playing back your videos in CapCut for desktop, here are two quick fixes that can really help. First, go to the player window. At the top right, click the three lines to open the drop-down menu. Hover over Preview and select Performance Priority instead of Quality Priority. You'll see a check mark confirming the change. This makes playback smoother because CapCut prioritizes performance over visual quality while editing. Second, click anywhere on the timeline to deselect your clips. This will bring up the Details menu. Scroll down to Modify, then open the Performance tab. Under Proxy, choose the lowest resolution value available and hit Save. Don't worry, this only affects playback inside the editor. When you export, your video will still export in full resolution, like 1080p or whatever you've set. So now your videos should play back with much less lag while editing. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more easy tips for editing and productivity.